What's up, guys? Hope everyone's been doing really well. Today we are introducing a 2020 STi that we just finished up for an awesome customer. It was a daily driver up in Alaska for the last 5 years. He reached out to Steven and just wanted to spice it up a little bit. So we took that opportunity and we did just that. It turned out amazing, and we can't wait to see his reaction when he gets behind the wheel. When this STi first arrived to us, it had a downpipe, intake, and a Pro Tune, and that's usually considered a stage 2 setup. And that really amplifies the performance of these cars over stock. And then this is what we transitioned the car into. It turned out absolutely amazing, and it runs flawless. I'm gonna go over a quick rundown on the setup of the car. First and foremost, it's got our Misfire Motorsports stage 3 long block. It's got Run BC 272 cams. It's got closed deck case halves with rods and pistons. The turbocharger is a Blausch turbocharger. It's got the whole ETS intercooler kit along with the intake. It's got a Haltech ECU that's calibrated by BWTuning. It also is running their adapter harness as well. It keeps all of the OEM functionality and Canbus systems intact. Everything works as it should. Sport, Sport Sharp, I mode. The display on the dash also functions just like stock would. So there's no sacrifice in any of that stuff. The fuel system, it's got a Dyno double pumper hat. Grant did a full system from the front to the back. It's got ID 1300 injectors. It's got a flex fuel sensor that's been incorporated in the fuel lines. And to go with that, it also has a fuel pressure sensor on the regulator that's been calibrated in the ECU for safety. So in case the car loses fuel pressure under boost or any other time, the ECU will shut itself down. It also has oil pressure safeties as well. So if the car loss of oil pressure, then it will also pull itself down to preserve the engine. These are some of the benefits that come with having a standalone ECU, along with just insane drivability and comfort, if you will. So a lot of guys think, oh, standalone ECUs are for race cars, but all it does is refine the entire car. The calibration process is so much smoother, and it gives the tuner the ability to really get these setups dialed in. After we got some break-in miles done on the car, we reached out to Ben and let him know that we are ready for some dyno time. So Ben over at BWTuning got it bolted up to the hub dyno, and here's some clips of it on the dyno. On pump gas, the results were 412 wheel horsepower, 380 foot-pounds of torque. Obviously, this is the output to the wheels, so that's a major jump over stock, and that's on 91 octane. Then this car, obviously, with the Haltech ECU, has full flex fuel integration. So on the ethanol side of the tune, it made 530 wheel horsepower, 480 foot-pounds of torque to the wheels. This car is an absolute menace on the street. It feels ridiculous. We appreciate you guys following along on our build videos. We really appreciate the support. If you or somebody you know has an STi or a WRX, Forester, Outback, whatever it may be, that is interested in taking it to the next level, please reach out to Steven at 405-919-8404. Us and the guys would love to transform your STi or WRX or whatever turbo super it may be into a beast like this. Thank you guys again.